Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews, and today we're going to be looking at one of the best HD spy cameras on the market. This thing syncs right with your phone. We're going to check it out right about now, but first, that's right, we're on Spy Cam right now. I've got it set up right back here, and with these coins, hidden back there is a spy camera. So let's go ahead and see what it's looking at right now. Let's flip to the Spy Cam. So let's go over the details. Now, first off, it's super tiny. I'm gonna make sure it's in perspective there. A little bigger than a quarter, really easy to hide and conceal if you need to do that. Maybe you need to watch out for your kids, you're questioning something that's going on in their lives, whatever it is, make sure you use it wisely, efficiently, and legally. But it's a little spy camera that really makes a difference. Works at night, it's 1080p, and battery powered USB. And actually super simple to install. That was something I was worried about. First, I went into the instruction manual, right? I was like, oh no, how do I do this? I hate reading a bunch of tech instructions. I may be a tech guy, but I don't like reading tech instructions. Had a scanning code that I could just scan with my phone. Scanned it real quick, took me to the app, and I installed the app. Then you scan the little code here once you open the app, and it pairs the two. You just connect. Essentially, this turns on your Wi-Fi, connect it Wi-Fi, boom. The whole thing is set up and good to go. It's like 3 steps, so it's super simple to install. And there's something to be said for the safety, security, and everything involved with having a little camera available to you. Now, it will just sit up on a shelf. You get a lot of different ways that you can store this, and you can see it's just a tiny little USB to charge it up. It'll work for a good bit of time, and I'll go ahead and put all the details, the tech specs in the description as well as on screen. Honestly, a lot of times it's just easier for me, instead of memorizing all the tech specs and maybe getting something wrong, to copy and paste it out of the listing page, Amazon page, the product description page, whatever they may have. So anyway, folks, a really high speed, low drag, very efficient little camera. This thing will last you for hours, and you can really increase your security, increase privacy, whatever you may want to do with it. A really fantastic little camera. So anyway, folks, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. You can leave me a comment below. Make sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Make sure that you get all of our notifications, all of our latest videos, and everything that's going on. Click like, subscribe. We have new videos all the time. And again, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them below. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.
And don't forget to subscribe to our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. So if you love gadgets and entertainment, then be sure to subscribe to 911 Reviews.